that, Captain?
Since bait, I just took it out of the plastic.
I tell the man, get a new lure.
New lure?
Like he make that like what? Who make that bait there?
Rapala.
Rapala.
Yeah, this it looks just like a young mullet. You can see, as you can see, it have the colors like a mullet. See it? You can see it?
This one, I see that.
Yeah, mullet.
Mullet.
Yeah, young mullet. Rapala.
Hey, look, bad man. Look, guys, see that?
Yeah.
Young mullet, you know. Look at it. Rapala make this bait, you know. I bet you say this one mash up the kingfish today.
I never tried before.
Same now, I just get it brand new out of the box.
Out of the box.
So I forgot to try it now and see what can go on.
Yeah. So
that can't catch mermaid.
let's see how the action go later with it. Alright. Rackle too.
The rackle, yeah.
Yeah, see?
Hope we can catch a nice looking mermaid, you know. Alright guys, we're out trolling now, you know, so the rad's out, you know, so we don't know what is happening on today, you know, because we're hoping for some early action. Captain going to put out the killer bait, so him said him, the killer bait. Top and love that little thing here, you know. Top and love the stick live wire. A live wire this name here. The live wire bait. This one look like a little toffee, or a little shad, or a little, yeah, look more like a little shad. See that, guys? I want to try this lure, you know, but I don't even know at the top and them love it, you know, man. I don't want to top and take up the sticker right here right now, you know, because it's rather too small. But as I say, I'm going to put it to the test, and I'm going to put it to a big fish test. And the only fish we can test that for now is the top one. But anyway, we're going to put it out, but let me see what I'm going first with the two big rod them. Fish on again, fish on. See? I want a big ladyfish. Yeah, a ladyfish come around for catch. I love catching lady them fish, man. I did a seafood man. Seafood man, I catch a lady them fish. Yeah. I catch ladyfish, man. Because I think I'll come and see you can catch ladyfish.
Ladyfish. You can't carry more.
Mr. Gosem. Oh, bro, me catch a ladyfish too. No. I'm a ladyfish. Yeah, man, a ladyfish too. Lord, yo, yes, gone to right. No, I'm not gone. What the hell? There's not so much of them lady thing around here, so. Can't want them ladyfish here, you know. I'm not the right ladyfish, them here. No. What for a lady there? Eh? Gotcha. And guys, nice size ladyfish, them here, you know. This is craziness, now, guys. You seeing it? Look there. Watch here. No, just set the pliers and release and take it out of the game. See that here? Eh. See it up. Because you might go get hook and on that to that. But all the pliers good though. Yeah, just release right this one. I want to get hooked. Yeah. Can't arrest him now. Yeah, man. So seafood man there now. So my own the water and seafood man I release that one. Yes. Let's throw him out. Oh, gone like bullet. Next patient. See me here. Man, hook you though. Here. Put a rod up on the next side. Yeah. Make sure you arrest her properly, you know. Alright. Release. See there? Short up, short. See there, guys?
Ladyfish.
Seafood man, ladyfish that. Alright, put him out. Yeah, yeah, man, release that.
Oh.
There you go. No? Yeah, man, revive it, man. Little fun of the morning. Now we want the real thing now. Big fish. But I'll pay for them fish. I don't want to have them fish we are catching. Yeah, because kingfish love ladyfish them, yeah. Alright, so that is part of the story. Now that because Jews. Fish on guys, fish on. The road, may I roll it up, you know? Chew yourself, chew rubbish up on your own. Jack, yeah, a small jack, that's why I feel like a king as. So look at this now, guys, but what am I do with him? Tell me now. Yeah, I have a good pressure for me, you know, so I have a hard pressure for me, so like I want big size jack. Ah, fish on.
You get strike for it.
You get strike for that, you know, and let go. Jig, think of jig. You can get jig, you know. You can lick off right then. So that's why my feet so stiff. You can get snug. I don't want to. I'll turn back around now. Alright. Oh, look at him back in the water. Arrest him, Mr. Cap, arrest him. You put him in the water and feel the water, man. Take him out of the water. Yeah, when you feel the water, I'm not going. Yeah. Give me this, give me this. Arrest him properly, arrest him.